Good morning, my dear students. Today is Kainimina, 14 August. Tomorrow is Independence Day, so tomorrow is declared holiday. Ayang ako kita suti tapi running Sunday suwari na trane. Suti ma mangsa rin ako kita magta as well as ako kita magta sunatra. Sunday na mita kumairang lay basi haraw ramoy ne. Sumber bindia. Atay ito Monday kumada suti taramboy tadi haraw neba. Sunday dan namit suti tasan basi haraw din atra suti mangsa yana. Adu yang suti mangera suti laira lairoigera akhoi na thau ka we deka and moreover abhi matakta in the coming week you will be facing your weekly test weekly test yang aina sum khan bada ka kaujik tawriba running chapter se sidagi oina tawrase yan tarbai se exercise yam tawbanate 8.1 ga 8.2 kataga ni ka ani sidagi base tawraga achuna nainaro yan dai ka ana hariba chapter ani sidagi oina tawrase aina khoida sigi important suggestion question ke pira roi ka yan dabra adune nga 8.1 ga 8.2 siga sidagi oina handaki weekly test ki exam se lo tho si yan dai ka ada exam lo thok pase karam kan da lo sike Wednesday na mita lo tho sira yari ma de Wednesday na mita tawar sika yan darba adu kamaina tawbuno ai se kitang clear oi ba kitang wale ka WhatsApp ke through ta tawdoira natraga na koi assignment ta tawbaga de habit palle the assignment ta tawdoira tra WhatsApp ke through ta tawdora edu tang confirm tor ga hayeng hairage ka ma hayeng de suti wore Monday na mita hairage ka adu Wednesday na mita da exam to to sika WhatsApp ta tawraga su adagi assignment gi kalam through da gi tawraga su ke dore na koi gi di pa mun to pong atani ka adai jo thagat pom to pa WhatsApp ta tharak paning khang de adai ma tharak ning khang de adu tum yeng ga ta ai no koi da confirmation no pirage adu dana na koi gi na thau di lai pa ga da bani ka yare ka biki atra tu dia adu di kai dore test is on Wednesday na mit tawrani atuga chapter na kam hoi doi ba exercise 8.1 ga 8.2 ga ka ani sitagi yare ko tu dia adu ne nga ngarang loisan lauta ba exercise 8.2 gi question ani wa law se ngasi loisan je nga yan darba aduna mamangi tawgi ba question number 2 bauta tawgi question sin loi clear we ramadiana khali ka khang da khota ba yawri bra yawdre na lawre ka tu dia ram tana kumaktra bani na yani ka aduna nga exercise 8.2 gi question number 3 de nga Karina mana hai se given the period kaina 10 of a plus b is equal to root over 3 then 10 of a minus b is equal to 1 by root over 3 aduga kaina se a ga b के वैल्यू से कहता हूँ रबा I be a plus b की वैल्यू से it is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree हम गिना करें ना we have to find the values of a as well as b अनि इसी की वैल्यू क्या है तो थोड़ा निका यार देखो तो क्वेश्चन से क्लियर हो रहेगा 10 of angle a plus b ने the 10 of angle a minus b ne ani ki value se pitho me adu kari haire ani se ki value have the kanano a ga b ke value kya kya hoy to na hangini ka bindia yarba angelina question gyan tare ka adi kamai na hola ka dagji ngo sida solution da ai khoi na kari khange root over 3 से 10 की वैल्यू तक ना माने हैं ये 1060 का माना था then 1 by root over 3 से ना माना था 10 of 33 का माने का we have all the learn ana tam gro mga atani wasigan na transa aduna deke dargia ga then question the p is kanano tan of angle A plus B is equal to root over 3 and sidagi aduna tan of A plus B is equal to kanalani root over 3 di karambana, that is tan of 60 degree. And this is the first equation. Adagidi 10 manore adukederoni A plus B must be equal to 60 degree. This is your first equation. And similarly, tan of angle A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. The 1 by root 3 is tan of angle 30 natra, and it can be replaced with angle tan of angle 30. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This is your second equation. Now we get the values of A plus B equal to 60 degree, A minus B equal to 30 degree. We have to solve the values of A and the B. Linear equation in two variable ladra. Elimination, substitution, cross multiplication, chapter exercise. Line solve. Now, first of all, okay, then now elimination method line equation 1 and 2 say add togera, subtract togera, subtract value fangani, addition torosu fangani ka. Duna kara when a palm zabanatra, and capacify when a palmy Arjunatra, and adding equation number 1 and 2. I come here now. Question 1 A plus B. So you can add A minus B. So now 60 plus 50. Then you remove the bracket. A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 90. Then B get cancelled. So what is remaining? Twice A is equal to 90. Therefore, A will be equal to 90 by 2. That is, A is equal to how much? This is 45. Now we get the values of A. Then putting A equal to 45 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 A plus B is equal to 16 therefore A is 45, then A plus B equal to 60, therefore B will be equal to how much? 45 60 minus 45, that will be 15. Therefore, B will be equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. Therefore, B will be equal to 15. Now, A is equal to 45, B is equal to 15. This is the final answer. Now, can note it down. Single silver, Lu run a silver. I should do the natra. Something I'm to know is you say. I'm like line of all of the natra. Yareka. Okay. Now you look at the question number 4. Question number 4 is true or false. The true or false to line I go pong ambosiagani. Adagi kotraga yadabasu or the vida kumbangam bagam the Yorkanika. The young singer. Rosni Paramano and the young. sine of angle A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Question number 4, Roman number 1. So the P is sine of angle A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. So the man can have all values of A and the B hay có A and B long value low hay. Can that be said? Other than that, she just when along by low matam da some minute la le the yang sika. Other than that, let A is not 60 lowering color, B is not 30 lowering color. Can that go? 45 lower go to me I got. Can that bra? The 45 lower ga the one all the values have in a car. On the step comes out of sana the ring singer. 11 side again sine of 60 degree plus 30 lani. That will be sine of 90 degree later. Sine 90 degree 1. Then you look at the right side. Sine of 60 degree plus sine of 30 degree. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Therefore 2 common, then root 3 plus 1. And 1 common na plus iba. Manatin na tra. Therefore do na kayo rin. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence, answer kayo rin it is false. And then ka 45 loro magadi manaba suya ka. But adu kayo rin 45 loro manaba ka. Manaba kitang pwede sidabudi 90 tarani. Sidabudi 45 sin 45 la ani ka. 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 la ani ka. The answer to 1 tar ka. Yan dar basta. Can note it down. Single Yeah, Basima. Okay, then next time Roman number 2. Valentina can tarif Basiba. Roman number 2 tamu yang siang. The value of sine theta increase as theta increase hai ka. Value of sine theta increase as theta increase. Jadi aham pada kali yang saya add theta equal to 0. Sine 0 will be how much? That is 0 lega. Then add theta equal to 30 degree. So sine 30 will be 1 by 2. That is the value of 0.5. Then add theta equal to 60. 45 sine 45 will be, that is 1 by root over 2. So root 2 by 1 root 2 into root 2. See rationalization la kudanika. Therefore root 2 by 2, that is 1.4 something like that. Divided by 2, that will be called 0.7 something sakarni then that ka. So this means हम 0 ले रहे हैं और 0.5 ले रहे हैं तो 0.8 ले रहे हैं ना. And add theta equal to 60 है खलो. Sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. Therefore, CD cano 1.7 something like that. 2 divided CD 0.8. Add theta equal to 90. And sine 90 will be 1. Jadi nga, kau nak kari guna dia nga. 0 is less than 0.5 is less than 0.7 less than 0.8 less than 1. Maksum hengkala kadra sa. Hengkala ira hengkala tira hengkala ika. Adar hengkala mina kaya hai ni. Hence it is true. And that ika can single cell यारे को दे रोमान नंबर 3 दम होमवर्क तौरा cos theta की निका cos theta तो समाय नहीं येंगो cos theta तो मान करी हाई value तो increase तौर प्रा as the theta increase है का जिसने कोई ना theta value हाफ से लगा सुम येंगो का और सी की आंसर false है नहीं कहीं ना तो दा कोई ना खंग रहे कहीं ना tabulation यक मत तो कहीं डाउंगी उन्हें तो इन्हें बरम तो लाख इधर ने नुवाना मांग थारा का सुम पिक थारा 0 तो लोशन किधरा अदुना सो decrease है मगर दी true वही तो निका और दी increase है मैंने false है नहीं सी मैंने कोई होमवर्क तौर का next thing sin for Roman number 4. Roman number 4 is sin theta equal to cos theta for all the values of theta hyphenica. Roman number 4 da sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta hai kiti chumgadra langani ka yenga at theta equal to 0 hai khalo sin 0 kya hogi ba 0 cos theta di kana no cos 0 theta is 1 Rimanari Brasiba 0 is not equal to 1. Ha. Aduba amakatani mane kaya the mane sin 45 ka. Then at theta equal to 30 hiding kalasu sin 30 is 1 by 2 cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Ha. That's it. 1 by 2 is not equal to 3 by 2. Hence, the answer is it is false. Then Daraba, can note it down. Okay, last one. Number 5. So Roman number 5 पे कितना ले लिया Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree का cot theta is not defined at A is equal to 0 degree. देखो ये कहीं खंगेगा cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So at theta equal to 0, cos 0 will be cos 0 divided by sin 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1 approx. Then sin 0 is 0. Therefore, it is 0. And Darba? Hangika? Nga? Adi chumina lale na magi se? Lale ka? Duna hence it is false. And Dani ko sima? Hangika? Okay, simba sinjalo yenga. Yaraba adune nga ngasi ki disi talo shalase nga with the homework ka homework ta lai isi kana na question number 4 ge Roman number 3 da natra so mika aduna homework for today is question number 4 ge Roman number 3 so mika to de yare ka Jadi pare nga homework singa sinjalo nga Ini ka Yang ada tinggal sih distalo selesai Oje aina remind tau kita pa bu kaine nga Wednesday na mita na koi gi English test sama lain ni weekly test se trigonometric algebra tawriba exercise 8.1 ga 8.2 dagi ga wairani ka mark tara katani yam banate ka mark yam de haidana aina hanjana hagadabsi kaina don't take it lightly ka yam line no thokano be serious and be prepare well asana hono ka kaigina tamda your mark will be counted for your final exam ka final exam ko mark count tawtini yare ko de parenga yimna phatabajana layo ayeng di holiday ni as Sunday as well as Independent Day ka aduna yanga asigidi kaina rasika nok na kaina rasi ayeng mu thaina rasika yare ka de okay bye see you all in the next class